YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping. And you'll get this in no time. Hopefully you guys are doing okay. We made it, guys. It's a new month. Birthday's almost here. And you guys will get one of these. And see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. Alright, let's take a look. Barracuda or STX Barracuda. I think this is a memory. Part of the PC process of building. Definitely needed one of these. Get the manual. Decent size. Oh yeah. Here she is. That's it. Here we go. Barracuda time. SeaGate. Oh, okay, yeah, this is definitely the memory. Kind of reminds me like a Pop-Tart. Oh, I gotta be careful. Ooh, baby. SeaGate Barracuda SATA. Here it is. Like I said, I can't really do much right now until a few parts come in, which will be here Monday, I'm hoping. But there's been some kind of delays. I thought this was a manual. It's just words. So nothing really special with that one. So I think that's it. This is basic Barracuda SeaGate 2 TB. Right there. And just gotta plug it in right there. So definitely excited. So it's coming along. I just gotta get, like I said, a few more parts, and hopefully they'll be here this week. So until then, YouTube, be safe, have a good night. See you guys in the next video.